Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So yes, after super long, I am back with another YouTube video today. From the title itself, you must be aware that this video is related to my online cabin crew interview classes. Yes, I have started my online cabin crew interview classes about which I am going to discuss in this video. So stay tuned and let me just tell you that if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do it right now because now videos are going to come on daily basis. Like in a week I'm going to upload 2 videos. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do it now. So now without any further ado, let's just get begin with today's video. So yes guys, I have started my online cabin crew interview classes. First let me tell you that it's an online interview classes and not an offline classes. When I announced this on my Instagram, I was getting constantly DMs asking that whether it is online or offline. Name itself says it's online. In this pandemic, offline is not possible right now, and pandemic मतलब इस situation के बाद भी I am going to continue online classes only because it's much easy. You know, nowadays everyone has a Wi-Fi in their home and वरना मोबाइल में तो इंटरनेट कनेक्शन तो होती ही है. So all you have to do is we can just connect through this phone and we can do the classes instead of coming all the way to my classes and doing all the stuffs. This is not possible actually, so I've just thought of doing the online classes, which is much more simple option I can say. So yeah, it's an online classes. The name of the classes is Flystar. Yeah, so basically the classes in this classes, it's a 1 month course. Okay, in this course I'm going to teach you grooming, I'm going to teach you communication, question answer, how to sit, talk, each and everything in detail. And at the end of the day, like after completing 29 days of the course, at 30th day we are going to do one-on-one interview. Like I will be the HR and you will be my candidate, and I'm going to ask you the questions basically to just see how you have prepared and what is there and what is not. And one more important thing, that I will be there with you till the time you get selected. Yes, जब तक आपका yes, एक चीज़ मैं बोल दूँ पहले, जब तक वो सिलेक्शन नहीं होता, आई विल बी देयर टू हेल्प यू, आई विल गाइड यू. जब भी इंटरव्यू आएगा, यू ऑल्सो हैव टू सर्च अबाउट इट, यू ऑल्सो हैव टू बी अवेयर अबाउट द इंटरव्यूज़. बट वेन एवर आई विल गेट टू नो कि हाँ यहाँ पे इंटरव्यू ये लाइन में, आई विल टेल यू and you have to go for the interview. But the one most important thing, let me tell you, I am not guaranteeing over here the selection. Yes, मैं कोई इंस्टीट्यूट के तरह आपको यहाँ पे सिलेक्शन गारंटी नहीं कर रही. फेक जो सिलेक्शन गारंटी करते हैं, मैं बिल्कुल नहीं कर रही. The selection is completely upon you. I am over here guaranteeing you is कि मैं आपको पूरा अच्छे से prepare करूँगी. If you have any doubt throughout this session or after completing 1 month course, whenever you have any doubt, you can always ask me and I will always there to help you. But I am not over here guaranteeing any selection from my side कि हाँ आप ये एयरलाइन में जाना, मेरा नाम दे देना, आपका सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा. No, not at all. You have to go, you have to work there, you have to perform there, and you have to get selected. No one can give you the selection. Okay, just remember this thing. I know there are institutes, I'm not naming anyone over here, but there are institutes who are guaranteeing the selection like हमको select करा देंगे. But again, there is nothing such has ever happened according to me. So yeah, and this is the thing. And charges I will let you know through DMs. If you are interested, what all you have to do is to DM me on my Instagram. The link will be down in the description box of my Instagram handle, and over here also I will mention my handle name. You have to just simply DM me there. I will let you know the whole process over there also, and I will tell you the charges. If you are interested, you have to first make the payment and then you can enroll the classes. Okay, so first now let me clearly tell you, classes again is, I'm not telling you कि ये compulsory है, because no training for the interview is compulsory. Okay, this is very important. ऐसा मैंने आज तक कभी नहीं बोला कि आपको ये ट्रेनिंग या ये क्लासेस या ये इंस्टीट्यूट ज्वाइन करना ही पड़ेगा cabin crew बनने के लिए. No, nothing is compulsory. You can directly go for the walk-in if you have the potential, if you have enough knowledge. that have to perform in the interview. The reason behind starting this classes is there are many candidates, I will say जैसे मैं पहले थी, who doesn't know कि actually cabin crew होता क्या है, actually इस इंटरव्यू देने जाते हैं कैसे, इंटरव्यू के लिए प्रिपेयर कैसे करते हैं, and they get rejected and they get nervous and then they give up. So the reason behind starting this institute, this basically online classes is, again this is not an institute, I don't own any institute such, this is just an online classes which I'm doing. So the reason behind doing is to help the people who doesn't know that what is the cabin crew actually is and how you have to prepare for yourself for the interview and how you have to go. सो बेसिकली मैं आपको ये 1 महीने में कैबिन क्रू क्या रहता है उसके बारे में नॉलेज दूँगी, आपको इंटरव्यू में कैसे जाना है, क्या पहन के जाना है, प्रॉपर आपका ग्रूमिंग आई विल लेट यू नो, आई विल शो यू द ग्रूमिंग एंड यू हैव टू डू द ग्रूमिंग. बाय द वे वीडियोज आर देयर ऑन माई चैनल इफ़ यू वांट टू सी, एंड स्टिल इफ़ यू हैव डाउट यू कैन टेक द पार्टिसिपेट इन माई क्लासेस. देर आर स्टूडेंट्स जिसको मैं अभी थोड़ा बहुत सिखा रही हूँ, ज़्यादा तो कुछ नहीं है. But yeah, if you are interested, all you have to do is just DM me on my Instagram. The charges are just a peanut amount, nothing as compared to you give in the institute. Trust me, institutes में I know there are institutes who are taking 1,50,000, who are taking 1,80,000, but this is totally a waste of money. Trust me. And जो charges मैं आपसे लेने वाली हूँ, it's nothing, कोई बड़े charges नहीं है. So this is a small amount I am charging basically to invest, because I am also investing my time to teach you basically. So I'm just going to charge for that. So yeah, if you are interested, all you have to do is to DM me, and if you have any query related to my online classes, you can always ask me down in the comment section or on my Instagram handle. By the way, today I have made one new Instagram handle, that is fly_with_me 28, जिस पे सारे ही यूट्यूब रिलेटेड वीडियोज़ और मेरे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस रिलेटेड वीडियोज़ आएंगे. इन बेसिकली वो पेज मैंने इसी चीज़ के लिए रखा है कि मैं जो भी यूट्यूब वीडियोज़ बनाऊँगी मैं वहाँ पे अपलोड कर दूँगी, लाइक द टाइटल कि मैंने आज ये वीडियो बनाया, आपको जाके देखना, तो लिंक विल बी देयर इन द बायो. एंड जो भी मेरे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का जो भी थोड़ा बहुत अगर मुझे शेयर करना होगा, सो आई विल शेयर देयर सो दैट यू मस्ट बी अवेयर. सो बेसिकली अभी आई होप मैंने सारे डाउट क्लियर कर दिए होंगे, दैट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट्स एन ऑनलाइन क्लासेस एंड नॉट एन ऑफलाइन क्लासेस. मैंने अनाउंस दिस ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम, मेरे को बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आए थे ऑनलाइन है ऑफलाइन है, सो भाई ये ऑनलाइन ही क्लासेस है. Second thing, it's not free of cost. Of course, you have to pay, because I am also investing my time, my energy. So even I accept a little bit. ठीक है? And yeah, I have knowledge and I'm sharing with you. So it's not a force कि आपको ज़बरदस्ती ज्वाइन करना है. It's up to you. The thing is, if you will join, I can just guarantee you that much कि आपके पैसे में बिल्कुल वेस्ट नहीं होने दूँगी, ना आपका टाइम वेस्ट होने दूँगी. इतना मैं गारंटी लेती हूँ कि मैं आपको अच्छे से सिखाऊंगी और आपको इंटरव्यू तलक प्रिपेयर कर दूँगी. अब वहाँ पे जाके आपको परफॉर्म कैसे करना है, इट्स अप टू यू. इवन आई जॉइन वन ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूट, आई डोंट वांट टू नेम दैट इंस्टीट्यूट, बट इट वाज worst. So let's just not discuss on that, because I don't want to discuss. So it's just that I'm guaranteeing you this much, that I will help you till your interview. Okay. And the third point I want to clarify, the most important, I am not guaranteeing over here your selection. जो भी आपको बोल रहा है ना कि आपका हम सिलेक्शन करवा के देंगे, आप हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट में आ जाओ, हमारे क्लासेस में आ जाओ, 100% फेक है. आई कैन गारंटी यू दिस मच. It's been 2 years. I am working as a cabin crew more than 2 years now. I can guarantee you guys. And जो सिचुएशन के बारे में आप सोच रहे हो, जो इंस्टीट्यूट में आप जा रहे हो, वो इंस्टीट्यूट से मैं गुजर चुकी हूँ, वो सिचुएशन से मैं गुजर चुकी हूँ. आई नो वेरी वेल दैट इंस्टीट्यूट एज वेल. Okay, so yes, that's it for today's video, guys. I don't want to make this video a longer, but yeah, that's it. If you have any question, any query, all you have to do is to DM me on my Instagram, or for the doubt of any related to classes, कमेंट में पूछ देना, मैं बता दूँगी. If you are interested, just simply DM me on my Instagram and I will let you know the process and the amount. So yes, and please do subscribe to my channel, like this video, share कर देना, किसी को भी हेल्प हो जाएगी, जिसको भी अगर इंटरव्यू ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लेने हैं इंटरव्यू के लिए, they can definitely take part in this. So yes, thank you so much for watching today's video. Do subscribe to my channel, share this video, share this channel, like this video, and I will see you soon with another amazing video. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye bye.